So here is my 41st book arrived, Springer. So I think this is 3 copies is inside. So I'm going. So let us see how many books, and my books are here. So we're going to start unboxing. Here's the book. Let's see. Two, three. And I have a. So here is the 3 copies. I'm going to again open it. Here is the copies. I'm going to open it. So here it is. Look at that. My book. So this is a book. Vishak PM editor. Rubber-based Bionana composite application. It's from Springer. So this is the publisher, Springer. So now I'm going to take other 2 copies. Opening. So this is 2 copies. Here's the second one. Here is the third one. Wow. 3 beautiful copies. Look at that. Like 3 copies. Now I'm going to open it. So beautiful 3 copies. Now I'm going to open it one by one. Oops. Like this. See, book. This is beautiful book. Look at that. See, the smell of the book is incredible. Wow, beautiful. Oh, nice. So this is my book. Now I am going to show you inside of my book. So here, first I show you the front page, cover page, and it's a Springer. So now go to the inside. Here, really beautiful. So here, the chapter wise. So we have a 1, 2. We have 10 chapters. Almost we can say, yeah, 10 chapters we have. And here really beautiful, a lot of beautiful pictures, colors and without colors, black and white. So really huge publications, and many people written these chapters, different chapters. And this back side is really good, and everything is perfect. Look at that here, and really nice. And I'm here to show you the different chapters is written. So here it's me, the first chapter by me, and another, and so on. So this is a really great book.